Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am working on some beef and making homemade burgers, as well as I just wanted to show you we got some prime rib roast and cut it up into steaks for the freezer. We love to get our meat when it's on sale, and that way we can get the best deal and freeze it up for the summer. But here is what I will be sharing today. My husband is cutting up the whole Iowa round roasts, and we are going to grind them up and make some homemade burgers. So while my husband gets the meat ready, I will get my veggies ready that I'm putting into the burgers. I know that to some people this is not necessary, but I like having some veggies in my burgers. So I'm gonna put whatever leftover spinach I have. There's about maybe 4 cups here, loose, and then 4 peppers and 3 onions. And I will process the veggies inside my food processor. So there it is. So kids can't complain. So once the meat is done and mixed up, I will be placing it over on these trays. And this is the burger press that I use. It works really easy. You just plop one of these things in, you put your meat, you put another one in, and then you press it down. And I think we will be weighing them, the burgers, but I'm not 100% sure what my husband decides, whether he wants to weigh them or not. I'm not a very big burger person. My daughter will only eat homemade hamburgers, so we'll see what they say. She will only eat homemade hamburgers, not the only thing she'll eat, but she doesn't like store-bought hamburgers. So over here I have mixed up about 1% salt, so 1% of meat you put, that's how much salt you put in, and then pepper, some parsley, and red pepper flakes. For 5 ounces. All the meat is done, and I will be putting them in a freezer this way for couple hours just so they harden. They don't have to freeze completely, and then I'm going to transfer them into Ziploc bags, or maybe we'll vacuum seal them with a food sealer. We got total of 67 burgers out of 9.5 kilos of meat. Not too bad. I think we're all set for the summer and some. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, I would love for you to press the subscribe button and stick around and see what my channel is all about. So until next time, hope you have a wonderful day.